Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Salam to you, my dear brothers and sisters. قال الله تعالى في محكم كتابه اذهب إلى فرعون إنه طغى. It means go to Pharaoh. He has indeed rebelled. The great divine prophets and basically any society that wants to live monotheistically, they will definitely have enemies. When the purpose of divine prophet is to communicate a practical plan to achieve worldly and hereafter happiness and to save man from ignorance and darkness in his life, any person or group who sees the practical plan of the prophets in conflict with their own interests starts to be enmity with them. According to the Quran, divine messengers had 4 enemies. The first group, tyrants or autocratic rulers. The Pharaoh and the pharaohs, and in general everyone, every group, every country whose only goal is to dominate others and bully the people, do not tolerate the prophets. Therefore they rise to enmity with them. The second group, mutrifin. Mutrifin means rich people who live with class differences. They enjoy making others poorer and increasing their own wealth. Those who want to get money in any way, even the forbidden or, God forbid, illegal and haram way. The third group that Quran calls the enemies of the prophets are the narrators and monks, the religious scholars who deal with minds and thoughts and intellects, those who distort the correct religious teachings to mislead people. The fourth group that the Quran has mentioned as the enemies of the prophets is the mala'. They are the chiefs, leaders, and officials who, when they see, or better to say, when they saw their position in danger with the arrival of the prophets, opposed an enmity with the prophets. If we want to build a monotheistic society, first of all, we must know its enemies and fight against them with all the capabilities we have. A painter in the form of a painting, a musician in the form of a music, a scholar of religion in the form of writing a valuable scientific book, and everyone according to his ability. This is very, very important. Let's do it now. God bless you.